Koala KB208-01 changing station, 34 inches by Koala Kare is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. About the Koala Kare KB208 by Bobrick Baby Changing Station, 34 inches by 21 inches horizontal oval surface mounted gray. The Koala Kare KB208 by Bobrick Baby Changing Station features a smooth, concave changing area with nylon safety straps, 2 hooks for bags or purses, and universal instruction graphics. This contoured changing has a closed depth of 4 102 mm, and an open extension of 21 533 mm. Safety messages come in 5 languages as well as Braille. Pneumatic cylinder provides controlled, slow opening and closing of changing table. High-density polyethylene is easy to clean and resists odors and bacterial growth. Complies with ASTM static load performance requirements when properly installed. Great for use in restaurants, hotels, businesses, medical, and commercial buildings. Barrier-free guidelines. Diaper changing station shall be installed with top of unit no more than 48 inches, 1,220 mm. And changing bed no more than 34 inches, 865 mm, above finished floor. Unit shall operate, open and close, with one hand, and less than 5 pounds of force, 22, 2N. When closed, unit shall protrude no more than 4 inches, 100 mm, from wall. Baby changing station body shall be durable, high-density polyethylene. Design of unit shall be surface-mounted, oval. Unit shall be equipped with a pneumatic cylinder for controlled opening and closing of bed. Bed shall be secured to back with a reinforced full-length steel pivot rod secured in a metal tube hinge. Unit shall have microban antimicrobial embedded into plastic material. No hinged structure shall be exposed on interior or exterior surfaces. Unit shall conform to ICCA 117. 1 to 2009 XE.